Welcome back to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. Microsoft Excel has continuously evolved, offering a user-friendly interface to its approximated 1.5 billion users worldwide. In this tutorial, let's get into the details of creating interactive charts with Excel's powerful features. What is a chart in Excel? A chart in Excel is a graphical representation that simplifies data by converting numerical information into visual graphics, which makes it easier for users to comprehend. Types of charts in Excel. Excel offers various chart types and design options, such as column chart. Vertical columns represent data value, aiding easy comparison. Bar charts. Horizontal bars display data values requiring two variables. Line charts, showing trends over time. Pie chart, circular representation of single row or column data. Donut chart, similar to pie chart, best for smaller data categories. How to create a chart in Excel? Creating charts in Excel is simple and applicable to all versions. Let us use report of 4 wild animals in India as an example. Steps to create charts in Excel. Example 1. Line chart. Select data from A1 to E11. Click the Insert tab in the ribbon. Choose Chart and select the desired line chart. Example 2. 2D chart. Create a 2D column chart by selecting appropriate data. Insert data labels using options in the drop-down menu. Customize data labels for a more informative chart. Example 3. 3D chart. Explore the Excel charts type to preview chart styles. Use design options to select a suitable design. Format the data series for visual appeal. Name your chart for clarity. Use the Quick Analysis toolbar for quick changes. How to change chart types in Excel. Select the existing chart. Click Change Chart Type under the Chart Design tab. In the Change Chart Type window, select the desired chart type. Click OK to confirm your changes. Conclusion. Excel's charting capabilities are essential for presenting data effectively. Creating charts helps make information visually appealing and user-friendly. Experiment with examples and become proficient in chart creation with Excel. We hope this tutorial helps you unlock Excel's charting potentials. For more Excel tips and tricks, like, share and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel.